How to manage stress without being sucked into a fast money scheme. When you're financially stressed, you may be looking for any solution that can get you out of trouble. Unfortunately, there are predators that are looking for someone just like you who's willing to try anything to make things better. That can mean some serious consequences if you don't know what to look for. If you think that something is too good to be true, it probably is. There are several warning signs you can look for before you spend what little money you do have on a product that can't deliver. For example, if a company won't let you see a sample of the product before you purchase it, it may be because the product either doesn't exist or is poorly made. You should also beware of companies that try to pressure you to buy a product immediately. When you make an impulse buy, you may find that you'll regret it. Make sure to take your time before you make a purchase. If a product promises to deliver something that no one else can, like an extraordinary amount of wealth with absolutely no work, it's probably not going to be able to deliver what you want. And if there's no refund available when you don't like the product, it's probably also a scheme to make money for someone else. In addition, a company that doesn't offer customer service and doesn't return your phone or email inquiries is probably not to be trusted. When you're spending your money, you want to make sure that you can reach someone if you don't understand something or have a problem. While there are good products out on the market, there are many people who simply want to take your money and deliver nothing in return. When you do purchase products on the internet, use reputable payment methods such as PayPal or a credit card. Never give your bank account information to anyone. You can save yourself a lot of heartache and stress by avoiding internet scams that are designed to basically steal your money. Instead, focus on products that can actually help you. Check out forums and message boards to find out what other people have experienced. Do your homework and don't rush to buy anything. No matter what product you buy, realize that it does take work to add income to your household. However, there are many internet marketing programs that will help you to legitimately add income and make it convenient to work from home. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to receive more video related to stress relief, stress management, and many other everyday health and wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and stay healthy.